It's too much. This is really too much. Today it's going to be snowstorm very soon, and our college is closed. Classes are cancelled. This is our college. I've just got out of college and I'm heading to home because it's really risky to be outside because there's snowstorm, and this is a mile right now, but it's going to be really hazardous for the people to be outside. So I'm trying to go to home as soon as I can because look at me, I've got the team, and this is how the weather is. Look, this is how the weather is. There is no visibility properly. There's wind, there's of course snow, and it's pretty cold.